Hi guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Request you to please subscribe and hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do a lot of videos on training, nutrition and kids fitness. That means everything you want about fitness, that's on one platform, that's BodyProCoach. Today we're going to be doing a healthy carb-based meal. So let's quickly go and see the recipe. First, oats, curry leaves and half lemon, chopped onions, then we have peanuts. First, in a pan, we're going to take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 small teaspoon of mustard seeds, some curry leaves. Once you see that the mustard seeds are fluttering, then we are going to add the peanuts to it. Now until it becomes slightly golden, we are going to roast the same. You would get a nice fragrance of the curry leaves and the peanuts. Once the peanuts are slightly golden, we are going to add chopped onions to the same. Salt. And wait until the onions become slightly translucent and a little golden. Turmeric. And last but not the least, now we're going to add our oats. So I have put the oats in water for about 2 minutes and then drain them. Give it a nice whip on high flame for about 2 minutes. And our Oats Poha is ready. And once you're served the same, last icing on the cake. So that's your lemon juice. And your delicious Oats Poha is ready. So our Oats Poha is ready. It's loaded with fiber, that means it's going to give you the feeling of satiety and fullness. It helps to control and lower your cholesterol levels. It's a great option if you're on a carb-based diet. Only thing is that you'll have to count your calories and your macronutrient and take the desired quantity according to the plan you are on. Thank you so much. Looking forward to see you next time.